TCL, is now betting on entering a segment of the market that was unknown to the home theater system by means of soundbars. It presents to the market its two new soundbars that come with the names of TCL Alto 5 and TCL Alto 7. Two models that are quite conventional in terms of design and offer very tight features in order to achieve an affordable price. TCL TS500. It offers an audio 2 channels thanks to two speakers of 2 inches inserted in a body that has 80 centimeters wide and a little more than 2 centimeters high. It is a bar designed to be used in televisions that measure 43 inches and up. A basic model that offers 3 modes of equalization and a connectivity that is served by digital optical input and an analog formed by a 3.5 mm jack. TCL Alto 7, larger in size, because it is designed for televisions that have 55 inches or more diagonal, has dimensions of 139.7 inches wide and a height of 2.08 inches. The sound is served by 2 speakers, also 2 inches, and as an extra, a 1.5-inch tweeter. A model that does include an HDMI arcade connection so that we can connect it with a single cable to the TV and control it with the TV remote. It is the complement to a 3.5 mm analog and digital optical connection.